Okay, let's kick things off. Today we're doing a deep dive into Duppe Scents, or Duppe Scents as some call it. We've got a review we're working from, and basically you want to unpack their business model, what they're claiming, and how they fit into the whole luxury perfume world. And the big hook right away: a set of 6 fragrances, just $80.
Right. And what's really striking is their positioning. They're not trying to be subtle. They're directly saying, we're the affordable option if you want that luxury perfume experience. It's pretty bold.
Super bold, especially when the review points out they're claiming the same experience as really iconic high-end stuff. Baccarat Rouge 540 is the example given. And for you listening, if you're not deep into fragrances, BR 540 is like the benchmark for modern, complex, and yeah, very expensive scents.
Yes, exactly. Picking BR 540 isn't random. It signals they're going for complexity, not just, simple copies. And this brings us to their quality story. On the website, they really emphasize premium ingredients.
Yeah.
And interestingly, that they're made right here in the USA.
Yeah.
That feels like an attempt to, well, justify the quality despite the price, maybe.
Yeah, and appeal to that made in the USA preference some people have.
Yeah.
But I think for the consumer, the real draw is just the sheer accessibility. 6 cents for $80. I mean, compare that to maybe $350, $400 for one luxury bottle. It completely changes the game for trying new things.
It really does. It lowers that barrier to entry massively.
Yeah.
Think about it. Buying a full expensive bottle is a huge commitment if you haven't lived with the scent. Duppe Scents basically makes the $80 set their trial offer. They skip the fancy ads, the big department store counters.
Right, cutting out all that overhead.
And they bet that offering you that variety, 6 different styles in one box, is enough to win you over. You might only buy 1 or 2 big bottles a year otherwise.
That makes a lot of sense business-wise. But what about performance? That's always the question with cheaper alternatives, isn't it? Do they last?
Well, that's where the review mentions their own stats. They claim a big chunk of their buyers get an all-day luxury scent experience. Now, all day can mean different things to different people, obviously, but the perception of value seems high. Plus, and this is key, they remove the risk with a money-back guarantee.
Ah, the guarantee. Always smart. So if you don't like it or it doesn't perform how you hoped, you're not out the $80.
Exactly. It minimizes that perceived risk for the buyer.
So the whole package seems geared towards giving you the vibe of luxury. The packaging is apparently designed to feel premium. The scents aim high.
They're replicating the sensory side, but just stripping away the brand heritage cost and the massive marketing spend.
And that makes you wonder, doesn't it, if this model works, if people are happy.
Well, it suggests maybe priorities are shifting. Is the customer really after the brand name on the bottle or the actual scent profile? This model suggests many might be prioritizing the smell itself and the convenience of trying lots of things over brand loyalty.
So wrapping this up for you, the listener, Duppe Scents looks like a combo of accessibility, that 6-cent variety pack, U.S. production claims, and the safety net of a guarantee. It's definitely an interesting option if you want to explore scents that feel high-end without that initial high cost.
Absolutely. And the final thought maybe is this. If affordable options like this can get really close on the actual smell, are they going to change how we even define luxury and fragrance? Is luxury the label and the history, or is it just the complex scent hitting your nose? Something to think about next time you're browsing those expensive bottles.